This 2026 Brinkley RV Model Z 2900 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, 80033 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Wheat Ridge. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Brinkley RV is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.